In this video, I'll talk about the Red Tea Detox. I know that this system is getting a lot of buzz on the internet lately, so I thought I would give my 2 cents. Now, I was never super skinny, but when I was younger, I was at least in decent shape. Then life happened. I got married, had 3 kids, and found myself in a state of complacency. One day, I looked in the mirror and realized that I was fat. I had really let myself go. As I've said in previous videos, I've been on a personal weight loss journey over the last few years. I've lost a combined total of over 100 pounds. I'm one who believes that variety is the spice of life. For better or for worse, this philosophy is applied to my weight loss. Over the last few years, I've tried different methods and programs to lose weight. Some have been more successful than others. One thing I can tell you, though, is that the Red Tea Detox program by Liz Swann Miller is the real deal. Out of respect for Liz Swann Miller, and probably for legal reasons too, I can't actually reveal what is in this tea. However, I can tell you this. It only contains 5 ingredients. Nearly any grocery store will carry those ingredients. The taste is amazing. It melts fat like butter. You will be left feeling freaking fantastic. And it is only $37, and you really get a lot of extremely useful stuff with it. The Red Tea Detox program includes an eating plan, which outlines why you should detoxify before trying to lose weight. It shows clearly how to calculate body fat percentage and provides you with a weight loss plan specifically tailored to your body type. It also comes with a workout plan, which is packed with a variety of supercharged workouts to help you burn fat and get in the best shape of your life. The exercises are short and easy to do. You will burn fat and shape your body, and it only takes 20 minutes a day to just set your metabolism ablaze. It will also train you to balance your hormones to consistently detox your body. The program also includes a motivational booklet. This booklet dispels common myths about willpower. It helps you truly understand how to get motivated and stay motivated, and will transform not only your health and help you lose weight, but it will transform every area of your life. The system also includes 4 free bonus gifts: the ultimate superfood guide for super health, the 5 detox methods of fabulous celebrities, effortless weight loss hypnosis, and 100 great-tasting green smoothie fat loss recipes. In conclusion, the Red Tea Detox is not just another detox program. If you correctly follow the system and stick with it, it will definitely help you to rapidly lose weight. More than that, though, it will dramatically improve your overall health. The Red Tea Detox system has the power to fiercely revolutionize your life. If you would like to learn more, click on the link in the description. Also, just as a disclaimer, if you do happen to purchase this system, I do get a kickback, and that will help me to continue creating this content. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please like, share, or comment, or all 3. Thank you for watching.